is Sam, and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little review on The Ordinary skincare products. I recently did pick up a few The Ordinary skincare products, and I was super excited to try them because if you guys don't know, I do struggle with acne and a bunch of blemishes and just like really crazy skin. So I was super excited because I've heard so many great things about The Ordinary and all about their company. Plus they just have super cute packaging. So yeah, why don't we just get started? So the products that I have been using recently is, well, the first one is The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. So this is kind of what the packaging looks like. I don't know if it's focused. And basically it just has hyaluronic acid in it and B5 like it says. I got this because I did hear that hyaluronic acid was super good for your skin. And then the next one I have is The Ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. So this one comes in like a brown bottle, and of course it has the little dropper squeezy things, which is super cool. I always love to do products that have that. But I guess I'll just start talking about the hyaluronic acid. I've heard a lot of great things about hyaluronic acid, but the one thing to know is that if you live in a very dry climate or like a dry area like I do, I live in like the deserty area, it's kind of hard for the hyaluronic acid to work. Whereas if you live somewhere very humid or like in a moist environment, I know some people don't like that word, but if you live in like more of a moist environment, it works really well. So I only use this at night, and because I do live in a drier climate, I like to put on a very thick night cream or lotion just so that it has somewhere to pull the moisture from. Otherwise it will pull moisture out from your skin. I have been getting really dry spots recently on my face, which is not normal. I normally have very oily skin, but I do find that this stuff does help with how dry my skin is. I only use it once, and I put this on, so I put toner on first, and then I'll put this one on, and then I'll do my night cream. So it really does help with how dry and flaky my skin can get, and the texture of like the product is really nice. It doesn't feel oily, so I would recommend this to anyone who has oily or like combo skin, because it will help with your dry skin, but it also doesn't like produce a ton of oils, not that I found. And the next one, of course, is the rose hip seed oil. Rose hip seed oil is great for your skin, especially when it's cold pressed. I've done a lot of research on this product, and of course this is an oil, so it makes your skin feel a little greasy. I only apply this one at night just because I don't want it to feel super like greasy on my skin when I have makeup on, and for my makeup to like slip and slide everywhere. But this one seriously helps with the dry patches I had on my skin as well. I could not get rid of those dry patches for the longest time, and after using these two products together, it seriously did help a lot. The only thing I would say about this is that I apply this after, so I said I applied toner, then I would apply the hyaluronic acid, then my lotion, then I would apply this one on top. You don't need like a ton of, you don't need a ton of product. It does look like this like oil color. It looks literally like olive oil, but it's super nice. Of course you don't want to like put the dropper on your face because like supposedly that's unsanitary, but it feels really nice. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good because you don't want to be using like fragrance on your face because it can just irritate it if you have sensitive skin like me. Yeah, so it doesn't smell like anything, but it feels very nice. It feels like a luxurious oil, and these are all both under $10, so I think it's an amazing product if you guys are trying to struggle, or if you guys are struggling with your skin. And especially now that it is like getting colder and it is like starting to become more of like winter, these products are amazing because it's going to keep your skin hydrated. And even if you do have super oily skin, it's still great. I still apply it on the places on my face where I get super oily, because if you aren't moisturizing your skin, it actually does create more oil in your skin. So that's why I really love to use this. And it is it says to apply once a day, ideally before bedtime. I'm pretty sure that's just because they don't want like your makeup to be slipping if you do wear makeup. But I think this is also great if like you're doing a no makeup day and maybe you're going to like the beach and you just want to look really glowy. This stuff is really great. But it says that it is a water, or it says ideally at bedtime after application of water-based treatments. So again, that's why I apply it after this one, so that the hyaluronic acid will have some sort of moisture to cling on to basically. This one, it just says to apply a few drops to the face AM and PM before creams, and that's exactly what I do. I don't apply this in the morning just because my tinted moisturizer, I use the ColourPop, I think it's like hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer. So that's the only reason why I don't apply it in the morning, because my tinted moisturizer also has hyaluronic acid in it, and I just don't want like too much of the hyaluronic acid on my face, if that makes sense. So I only apply this in bedtime, during the night. I cannot talk today. But yeah, overall these products are really, really amazing. I would recommend them, and so far my skin has been probably the clearest it's been in a really long time. And like I said, the dry patches have gone away. I will like show you guys a close-up. So I was having like some dry spots right here. As you guys can see, I don't have clear, like super clear skin, so that's just like one thing to note. Like I'm not, like I don't have the best skin, but it is getting really like a lot better. So I had some dry spots right here. All of this is basically scarring. None of it is really new pimples or acne. And I also had this dry spot right here. You guys can probably see it. It felt really weird. Like it felt super dry, and I was doing everything in my power to get rid of it. And I was using like super thick creams and moisturizers and everything, and nothing seemed to fix it. But once I started to use these two this past month, it has completely like almost gone away. I think after like a week or so it should fully go away. So yeah, this side of my skin is not as bad as this side, which is weird. But yeah, overall consensus, love these products, recommend them if you have dry or oily skin, honestly, because I feel like you can always just use these at nighttime so that your skin is moisturized at night, and then in the morning you can just use like a thinner, like moisturizer that won't like cause your skin to be super oily. But yeah, love these. Let me know what other Ordinary products you guys would like me to review for you guys. I'm not like a dermatologist or anything like that. I am just like a real consumer who bought these products and wanted to test them for you guys in case you guys wanted to try them out and see what they were all about. So yeah, I think that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!